Hey, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to tell you 5 ways to reach 4,000 hours of watch time. For your watch time to count toward monetization, you need to gain 4,000 viewing hours in 12 consecutive months. The videos don't need to have been published in the last 12 months, but they need to have been watched in the last 52 weeks. And here are 5 ways to reach 4,000 hours of watch time. 1. Make evergreen content. Getting discovered on YouTube can be quite difficult. But you can make it easier by uploading videos that are likely to appear in YouTube's search results. Relevant year-round. This is what's called evergreen content. Creators love these videos because they get lots of traffic, and a result, plenty of watch time. To make these evergreen videos, we simply answered questions lots of viewers were asking. Provided valuable information on topics people were searching for. This requires some keyword research. Some examples of evergreen topics are how to change a flat tire or how to cook perfect brown rice. Those tasks are challenging enough to warrant video tutorials, and people will watch them every season of the year. 2. Host YouTube live streams. When we hosted our first few live streams, 50 to 100 people showed up. Now we get hundreds of concurrent viewers, and with that boost in viewership comes plenty of additional watch time. Let's do the math. If 600 people watch a 2-hour live stream, for instance, that's 1,200 hours of watch time. 9 to 12 months into your YouTube journey, give live streaming a chance. You will probably have a couple hundred subscribers to give you a nice chunk of watch time per stream. 3. Upload videos consistently. Viral videos are a wonderful thing. They give your channel a boost while attracting new viewers to your content. But you shouldn't go into the video making process intending to make a viral video. Few creators pull it off, and it's easier to just be consistent on YouTube. Stick to your posting schedule so that someday, you'll have enough videos to gain 4,000 hours across several uploads versus one video. And once YouTube had enough data and positive signals from our content, the channel started blowing up. No viral videos, just good, consistent content being shared with the right audience. In the end, we didn't just reach 4,000 hours of watch time, we crushed it. Now our content is gaining traction, like this video with more than 800,000 views about getting your first 100 subscribers. 4. Go for quantity over quality. Increasing your watch time on YouTube is a numbers game. If you need 4,000 hours to get monetized, and your videos earn 1 hour on average, you would need 4,000 videos total. That's just an example, though. Your channel can, and probably will, perform better than that. But the point I'm making is that you need a large collection of videos to reach your watch time goals. That means you shouldn't be overly concerned with creating the perfect video, editing your clips for unreasonable lengths of time, spending too many hours filming. Find a way to produce content quickly without sacrificing the quality you need to be competitive on YouTube. Then upload your content and start working on the next video. Rinse and repeat. 5. Listen to your YouTube audience. The YouTube Studio has a wealth of analytics to explore, but some of the best growth advice will come from your subscribers. After all, they are your customers. Most of them know what they want to see, and they will tell you exactly what those videos are. Check the comments section of your next video to see what I mean. Highly engaged viewers will share video ideas and practically beg you to film those concepts. Also, only certain types of videos are eligible to collect watch time. You'll want to make sure most of your videos set to public, as this is the main qualifier. Outside of these requirements, it's up to you to create videos that attract more views, and by extension, extra watch time. Subscribe for more.